babies, small and sweet. Each one has a name so neat. Come along and sing with me. Let's learn them all. 1, 2, 3. The baby dog is called a puppy, always wagging, cute and yuppy. A baby cat is called a kitten, soft and furry, fun and smitten. A baby cow is called a calf, with little legs and a bouncy laugh. A baby horse is called a foal, running fast, that's their goal. A baby sheep is called a lamb, snuggly wool like softest jam. A baby pig is called a piglet, tiny pink and loves to wriggle it. A baby duck is called a duckling, in the pond they do some chuckling. A baby goat is called a kitten, jumping high, look what they did. A baby bear is called a cub, gives mama bear a cozy rub. A baby frog is a tadpole first, then it jumps, hoppity burst. Animal babies, now we know, they start off small and then they grow. From kittens, foals to ducklings too, they're just like us, me and you. Abby, kitten, calf, and foal. So many baby animals, each with a special name. Which one is your favorite?